Hey champions, today we're gonna make a basketball which is out of Play-Doh. Okay, for this we need the orange Play-Doh and the black Play-Doh. Okay, now first let's take the orange Play-Doh out. It's brand new, so I can't take it out, so I'm just gonna throw it to the cameraman. Thanks, dude. Okay, now we're gonna make a big round ball. This is gonna take long. Okay, since I can, I'll just take the cap out. Since I can do it, I'll just throw it to my cameraman dude. Thanks, cameraman dude. Okay, now we're gonna make straight lines. Peel it off, like half of it. Then roll it into a straight, flat line. Make a long stem, like a long black stem. Don't rip it or you gotta restart again. Think I'm done. Too flat. I'll just do it a little more on the sides, corners. And we're done. Straight big line. Okay, I have made a straight black line. Now you gotta stick it to the orange Play-Doh I made last time. Stick it. Like that. Okay, and we're done. Okay, now we're gonna peel a little more of a line. Now we're gonna flatten it. I think a little more because tiny more. Just take it. Okay, now we're done, guys. Now it's so flat and long, so I'm just gonna roll it. Done. Actually, a little more, but Play-Doh. Okay, that's cool. Now we're done. Okay, let's make the next one, guys. Okay, now we need a super long line. Okay, now we're gonna need it. Spread it out. Not too much, spread it out. Okay, for this part, we start making an 8. Now let's do this. You gotta take that there, take the other one there, and join it together and squeeze like a big circle. Okay, now we need to do 8. So just see the middle, just press it. Press, and we're done making 8. Spread it out if it's too little, the circles are too little. Okay, now we're gonna take the ball. The plus has to end at the middle, so be careful. And ta-da! Okay, now we have made the basketball. Okay, it is a basketball. Let's see if it bounces. A little bit. Watching, guys. If you like this video, like it and subscribe.